In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Excel without losing formatting using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This can be an incredibly useful skill, especially when you need to manage or analyze data that originally appears in a PDF. Many people face the challenge of maintaining the layout and design when transferring data from a PDF, but with Adobe Acrobat, the process is straightforward and effective. First things first, let's open up the PDF document you wish to convert in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you haven't already launched the application, go ahead and start it up, and then locate the file from your directories. Opening the PDF within Acrobat ensures that you're using the right tools to get the best results for your conversion. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the global navigation bar at the top of Adobe Acrobat. Here you're looking for the Convert option. Clicking on this will open up a suite of exporting features that Adobe provides, specifically designed to preserve the integrity of your document's formatting. Now that you have the Convert options in front of you, find the drop-down menu where it lists file types. Since we're targeting Microsoft Excel, you will need to select either the XLSX or XML format from this menu. XLSX is typically the preferred format as it is widely compatible with versions of Excel, but XML can also be useful depending on your specific needs. With your format chosen, it's time to start the conversion process. Click the Convert button and Adobe Acrobat will begin transforming your PDF document into an Excel spreadsheet. This process takes Adobe's advanced algorithms into account to maintain as much of the original layout as possible. Once the conversion is complete, Adobe will prompt you with a Save As dialog box. This is where you get to choose the location on your computer to store your newly created Excel file. Select a folder that's easy for you to find later and then hit Save. This final step ensures that you have your data where you need it, ready to be opened and edited in Excel. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to convert a PDF to an Excel spreadsheet without losing the formatting, all thanks to Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Remember, successfully maintaining the original formatting allows you to jump straight into using your data without additional cleanup or adjustments, streamlining your workflow significantly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to practice with a variety of documents to see how it handles different styles and content. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tech tips.